We took the first question.
Yeah, the first
question
one.
as homework.
Yeah, first ones are easy. So let's talk about this. First,
مستر ما الامتحانات.
they say it's me. Let me first do this. Okay, wait. Okay. So for this question one, the temperature at midday is in Moscow is -11. By 4 p.m., the temperature decreases by 4. By 8 p.m., the temperature decreases by 3. What's the temperature at 8 p.m.? This is easy.
-18.
Yes, each time they say decrease, it means minus.
You add more to the 11.
You minus. Like, when I -4 كده هنا when I -3 when I عندي -11. Let's do it like this. بعدين -4 بعدين -3 equals what? You do it with a calculator, you'll get minus or negative 18. Okay, that's the idea for this question. Negative 18. Now let's move on to the next one. There are 30 students in a class. 12 of the students are boys, and the rest of the class are girls. What's the ratio?
First question, answer bus. Last
Yes.
answer.
Mister, can you tell me how to calculate the ratio?
Yeah, -18. Yeah. Okay.
Can you explain how to calculate the ratio?
Yes, let me do
Mister,
it.
wait, for question 2, first you write the actual ratio, which is 12 to 18, and then you simplify.
That's the idea. Oh, and they have to be girls to boys. Focus on this. نبدأ بالgirls الأول.
What?
Girls to boys.
Oh, girls to boys, so
أيوة.
18, 12.
أيوة. هم كلهم 30 كلهم 30. البويز 12 نكتبها boys مش ما ننساهاش. boys 12. معناها الجيرلز كم إذا كان البويز 12؟ نقص 12 من 30 18. معناها girls.
Then simplify.
18. تو نكتب الريشيو الأول girls to boys.
How to
معناها
calculate
the answer is 32.
18 to 12. شنو عبد الرحيم؟
How to calculate the ratio?
الريشيو هو النمبرز يا عبد الرحيم. هم كم البويز 12 والجيرلز كم 18. منين جبتهم؟ البويز 12 والباقي جيرلز. الباقي من كم؟ من 30. نقول له 30 ناقص 12 تطلع 18. هو قال لي اكتب girls to boys، يعني ابدا بالجيرلز الاول. كم الجيرلز؟ 18. نكتب 18. البويز كم؟ 12.
Mister, the answer is
نكتب
12.
12. خلاص تو ندير لها simplifying. When I simplify I divide. 18
divide by from each other.
Divide by 6.
You can divide them on the same number. مثلا هنا divide on 6.
The other one you divide by 6.
حتى هنا divide on 6. عملت ايه؟
To make it a small number.
You have to divide on the same number. 18 divide 6 تطلع 3.
Why 6?
Because it's common.
Because it's like the biggest one you can both divide, and you'll get like.
And at the same time you can divide by 2. You can start dividing by 2 until you stop. But divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2 until you stop. خلاص هذه divide by 6 تطلع 3. Why divide by 6 تطلع 2. معنى الانسر 3 to 2. Okay. That's right. خلاص the answer here is 3 to 2. Focus on the question لأن قال لك girls to boys. ما تديرش العكس. Girls to boys. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. And 20 children are asked how many pieces of homework they got that day. The results are shown in the bar chart below. And the bar chart, right? A few homeworks. What is the modal number of pieces of homework per child?
Mister, the modal number is the highest frequency. So?
The highest frequency, yes. Which one is the highest frequency?
1.
Yeah, صح. معناها من؟ اللي هي 1. You get the idea? معناها which one is the highest? ها؟
12.
شنو you want to leave? خلاص we'll take
When are we going to finish?
10 minutes. 10 minutes بس. Don't cry, okay? Don't cry.
I don't have another session بعدين. No.
Afternoon, no.
Yeah.
I might give you one. Yeah, I might give you one so we can take half of this paper. I'll see if I have time. And I have a test tomorrow.
Mister.
If I have time, I'll give you. But if I don't, tomorrow we will have a session.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Mister,
we
I have
have
a
tomorrow
question.
sessions. Yes, yes.
Wait, what time are you doing your 7? Like 3:34?
Today?
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. 3 to 4, yeah. If I finish with them early, yeah, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yeah. All people.
He just started 7. So.
We started 7. I have 8, which is starting next week, I think. So yeah. So this one is
Wait,
1.
Mister,
okay?
you're the teacher.
Huh?
You're the teacher for year 8. Why do they need like more Zoom sessions?
You know what's the problem with some students, not all of them? They have problems with English language. So they need someone to explain in Arabic. That's it.
In year 8?
Yeah, all years, not only year 8. Some of them are good in math, but they need someone to explain in Arabic.
Oh.
So I noticed that like with a lot of people. So that's why I'm doing these sessions. So as we said, the highest frequency is 1. So the answer is 1. معناها المودل معناها أعلى frequency. Okay.
Sir,
Let's move
I
on.
have a question.
Yes.
Does this school know that you do videos?
Does who? Yeah, school knows. Mr. Adil is telling all the teachers to do the same as me.
And doing Zoom session for us.
Yeah, nah. They don't have to know that. They know that I'm doing like videos for YouTube and stuff. But not everyone needs to know the details.
Okay.
And they are starting a new IGCSE program, I think, for you, year 9. They asked me
Are they?
Yeah, in school.
Alhamdulillah.
And they asked me to teach. We will see what happens. We will see. So yes, let's move on. This is 1. Which word describes this angle? Let's do it fast.
Obtuse?
That's an obtuse. Good. Why is it obtuse? Because it's
Because
bigger
it's
than.
like larger. It's like wide.
Good. It's larger than 90, less than 180.
I
Acute
know these
معناها
angles.
معناها small, صح؟ هيك.
It's
هذه
small.
acute.
It's like tinier than 90.
Good.
Right is 90.
Right
And
اللي
then
هي
reflex
90.
is like reflex is a straight line, صح?
Reflex is the opposite of the obtuse, which is this one. Yeah.
Oh,
من
yeah,
برا
okay.
هي reflex.
And
Mister,
then what's the
because
straight line?
because it's larger than 90.
Obtuse.
Yeah.
Yes, it's larger than 90, smaller than 180. هذه هي obtuse. Reflex, larger than 180, smaller than 360. Right, معناها 90. Acute, less than 90. Okay, you have to know this. Okay. Now let's move on. Next question. What are the first 5 triangular numbers? Triangular numbers. You studied this in year 5, I think, or 6. Triangular numbers, what does it mean? It means numbers that can make a triangle or can fit inside a triangle. Yeah.
Okay. I don't know. I don't think we took this before.
No, me neither.
It's not a big
No.
lesson.
Like even in like elementary school.
But let me tell you, where do you take this? You study triangular numbers, you study square numbers. The difference between them, numbers can fit in a square, numbers can fit in a triangle. But let me explain.
Wait, aren't the square ones like even, only even numbers?
أيوة اللي هن 2, not 2, 1, 4, 9.
Mister, so any of these that isn't an even number is the answer.
No, it doesn't work like that. Let me tell you how.
How do we
مثلا
know?
you have a circle مثلا.
Okay.
A ball. 4 balls can fit here.
Okay.
Let me show you. Hannah, you can fit 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. معناها 4 is a square number. فهمت كيف؟ لكن هنا you
How am
can't
I supposed
fit.
to know how much it fits? Like I
fit
can
3.
do like very small circles and I can fit
Yeah,
more
but
than
they
that.
have to be like this or organized. هذه organized معناها 3 fits هنا. لكن 4 doesn't fit. 1 fits. هنا 1 fits عادي. بعدين 3.
Okay, 1 fits, 2 fits, 3
2
fits.
doesn't
okay.
fit. 2 doesn't fit. Look, huh?
1, 2, it fits.
No, there's space. You left
But
space
Mister,
here.
how did you do 3 behind and stuff?
3 huh? Fits, huh?
But 2 it fits already.
No.
Or it does have to fill the whole thing.
It has to fill the whole triangle, yeah. معناها
Oh,
it doesn't
because there's
have
edges. There's
معناها
edges in the
معناها 4 غلط. Okay? Triangle numbers 4 غلط. Okay? 8 غلط.
The whole answer is غلط. The last one.
غلط صح؟ هنا yeah, the whole answer يعني معناها لو 8 غلط معناها the whole answer. 4 غلط معناها the whole answer. هنا you can't say 1 1. خلاص, if you choose 1 خلاص, you don't have to repeat it. معناها هذه غلط. So that's the answer. But how do we check? 1 can fit. 3 fits كما درنا تو صح؟ 6 same idea. نحط 1 sorry. 1.
See, Mr. 6 can't fit.
Look at this. They can make a triangle. 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Oh, so anything that makes a triangle, you're saying. Yeah.
That's the idea, yeah. 10 can make a triangle. Give it ديري 5
Okay.
نقطة. Sorry.
Then 3, then
4,
2,
4,
then 1.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
2, 1. You get it? That's a triangle. معناها this is the answer. Okay?
Like I've never heard of this question before.
Yeah, it's not a big lesson هو أصلاً. It's not a big lesson. Yeah, I know. It's new for some people. لأنه it's not a big lesson. They only focus on square numbers. They only focus on square numbers. They don't take triangular numbers. Anyways, that's the answer. This is how you get it. I hope you understood the idea. As you see that it's a simple question. حاطينها مع simple question. Now, let's move on. Which of these is a cube number, but not a square number? Which one is a cube number, but not a square number? What do you think about one?
No, we can't count that.
16.
It becomes both, cube and square.
Yeah.
Number one. Now we can't have this. What about 8?
Is it 8? No, wait.
No, it's 16.
Yeah, no, it's not 8.
16.
Yeah.
16 is a square number. 16 is a square number. They said not a square number.
But it's not a cube number.
No. They said not a square number. 16 is a square number.
Is the answer.
We can't take it. 64 is 8 times 8. We can't take it. It's a square number.
I'm sorry, but what is cube number, a square number?
Let me tell you. A square number comes from multiplying two numbers by each other. يعني 2 times 2 مثلا equals 4 صح؟ هذا square number. هذا square number. Okay?
Okay.
A cube number by multiplying 3 numbers by each other. يعني 2 times 3, 2 times 2 equals 8. هذا cube
Yeah,
number.
I understand.
Okay?
Thank you.
So that's a cube number. So the difference between squares and cubes, square معناها 2 numbers together, multiply them.
Mister, so 8 is not a cube number.
8 is a cube number.
A square number, قصدي.
No, it's not a square number. So the answer is what? It's 8. You understand? They say
What is the answer to the question 5?
5 is this one. Okay. So for question 6, they said which one is a cube number but not a square number? هذا 16 square number, 64 square number. One can be both. Like an 8 is a cube number but not a square number. You understand? وهذين a triangular number.
If one can be both, why don't we choose it?
We don't count it لأن هم قالوا not a square number. We can't count it. فناخذ ال8 okay لأنها cube but not square. You understand the idea?
Okay.
Let's move on. We still have 8 minutes. We're gonna finish them. بس بقى. A teacher ran a 4-kilometer race. 80 meters of the race was on grass. The rest of the race was on the road. What percentage of the race was on grass? I think we did this before.
Mister, you can take the number divided by the whole number, which is 100 times 80.
The first thing we do when we count things like this.
X multiplication.
Wait. أول حاجة نخلون same units. هذه 4 kilometers. هذه 80 meters. نخلو
Kilometers to meters is like times 100.
How many meters in 1 kilometer?
1,000.
1,000, yes. 1,000 meters.
Okay,
And
so
4
what do
kilometers
we do?
equals what?
So 4,000 meters.
That's it. 1,000.
Mister,
That's the first step. Yes. حولنا الكيلومترز إلى
Mister
meters.
table, Mister
Mhm.
مش في table كيف الكتابة بتاع NM وما أدري شنو بتاع to the power of negative 13 وما أدري شنو like a long
the
table.
big numbers are they now?
Yeah.
Yeah,
have
that
a
one.
few-
They don't care about them a lot.
So like we don't have
nano, pico والحاجات اللي هنا.
nanometer.
Yeah, they don't care about them a lot.
So like I don't have to memorize them.
No need. هم the IGs and the achievements ما حقيقتش بكرنا.
Does Mr. Hamza care though? Like, will he bring him?
Hamza cares about the IGs. Hamza is preparing you for the IGs. He's focusing on these questions. He doesn't care about the questions that don't come. But don't worry, they don't care about them. Bang.
Okay.
خلاص حولنا الكيلومتر إلى meters. خلاص 4 kilometers معناها 4,000 meters. قال لي 80 meters of the race was on grass يبي البرسنتج بتاع الجراس. تو شو حندير؟ هناخذ ال 80 اللي هي جزء منها and divide it on the total number.
Oh,
اللي هو
total number
4000.
4,000.
هذا fraction
Times
صح؟ تو نبي نحوله إلى percentage. شو ندير له؟
multiply by 100.
That's it. Yes, multiply it by
2%.
فهتقعد كم؟ 2.
Mister,
Yes.
how to know if 4,000 is up or down?
اللي
Is
down
there a
ديما
formula?
total number. ديما اللي لوطة هو الكبير.
True.
Yeah,
Yes,
2%.
two. فهمتي ميار؟ اللي لوطة ديما هو الكبير. When you do
There's a
percentages.
formula. There's a formula like actual
This?
number.
Actual number on the total number. ديما ال actual on the total. ديما total لوطة.
Okay.
That's the formula of a percentage. فتطلع 2, right? 2%. Okay, good. So this is the answer, 2%. يعني أنت لما أنت أول حاجة the first step you have to make them the same units. لو أنت ما اديتهاش the same units you will find an answer here. So don't jump into answers until you make them same units, okay? And then divide them by each other, multiply them by 100, you'll get 2%. Now let's move on to the next question.
The next question is so easy.
The radius of a circle is 8 centimeters. What's the circumference of the circle?
2 pi r. 2 pi
Yes.
r.
So we use 2 pi r. Good. Circumference. معناها circumference
Wait,
equals
so we do like 2
2
times
5.
3.14 times 8?
14. Yeah,
Okay,
that's so easy.
That's easy.
I know.
So 2 times 3
You're gonna get
14
50.4.
times
Like the
r.
answer.
What's r?
8.
8.
The
Good.
radius.
And the answer is
50.24, which like it's 50, like to the
Very
nearest
good.
centimeter.
very good. So the nearest centimeter is going to be 50. Good. 314 times 8. Easy?
Easy.
Good. Question 9. Which of these lines is parallel to this line? That's easy too. We studied this last year.
Did we?
The gradient. نحن قلنا ال parallel lines. شنو الرول بتاع parallel lines؟ شنو الشرط إنه يقدر the two lines are parallel? Who remembers this? No one.
Are they the same? Like the same thing?
Same gradient. Yes, same gradient. So the lines to
Sorry,
be.
I have a question. It's
Yes.
like, it's a little bit dumb, but like,
No,
what
it's okay.
is the gradient?
The gradient. Okay. خلينا نقول. Let me put it that way. The gradient يا زينب. The gradient هو حركة ال y divided by حركة ال x. That's the gradient. If you need to know
So
what's.
if they tell us like the y equals -4 and then x equals 2, you just divide them on each other.
That's the idea هي أصلا. لكن شنو؟ Let me show you how you get it in the equation. في equation the gradient هو الرقم اللي لاصق في x. That's it. الرقم اللي لاصق في x. بشرط أن تجد y مش لاصق فيها شيء. It means the number next to the x. الشرط شنو؟ أن الواي ما فيش جنبها شيء. يعني مثلا الواي هذه ما فيش جنبها شيء صح؟ والجريدينت كم هنا؟ 4. والجريدينت هنا 3. معناها هذا غلط ما ينشبر. فهمت كيف؟ ضروري يقدر نفس الجريدينت. يعني هذا غلط صح قلنا؟ هذه الواي وحدها صح؟ وهنا الجريدينت 6 معناها غلط. I need 3.
Wait, how, Mr.? Like, why is, you said y has to be by itself.
But y by itself.
I know.
والجريدينت يقعد the same. هذا الجريدينت. هذا مش the same gradient. Is it the same?
بس مستر.
Y equals 3x plus 4. Okay, I remember you gave us this last year.
Well, you understand the idea.
Yeah.
That's it. معناها the
So the
gradient must
last
be
number
the same.
doesn't matter.
The last number doesn't matter now. Yeah, we don't care about the last number. The last number is the y intercept. We don't talk about it here. لكن كيف ما قلت لكم أنت بتطلع الجريدينت وتشوفها نفس بعضها ولا لا بشرط إنه يقعد عندك الواي نفسها ما فيش عليها شنو أرقام. Okay. هذه you can't count it لأن في رقم جنبها. خلاص معناها the answer is this one. You get the idea.
Mr. What if Mr. the y like the question أصلاً is not alone like معها حاجة like مثلا 2y equals 3x.
مثلا جنبها 3 صح؟ مثلا جنبها 3. أنت ضروري تخلص من 3 اللي جنبها. by dividing by 3. ولما تدير dividing by 3 معناها تقسمن كلهم by 3. هذه وهذه وهذه. It's a lot of work. To be honest, I didn't see a question like this in the achievements. لكن it might come لأن فيه شوية tricky هو. لكن شنو تدير؟ بتخلي الواي وحدها. Let's say the equation has 3 here, صح؟
Yeah.
مثلا has 3 next to the y. معناها you're gonna divide by 3 هنا. You're gonna divide by 3 هنا. You're gonna divide by 3 هنا. هيك تطلع معك الإيكويشن الحقيقية.
You're gonna get x plus 0 point حاجة.
Mister, when do I do this?
لما يقعد الواي جنبها رقم معناها تبي تتخلص من الرقم هذا you divide it.
You're gonna
Divide the parallel line.
y equals
divide
x
all of
plus
them by the same number اللي هو جنب الواي.
Divide what?
حسب تخلي الواي وحدها وتشوف الجريدينت كم. يعني مثلا جابوا لك هذا.
This is hard, Mister.
It's not hard. It's a step you have to do. مثلا جابوا لك كلهم فين جنب الارقام هنا.
Okay.
You have to do
You
this.
divide by the number you have next to the x.
To the y, next to the y.
Mister,
Oh.
what? Yeah, exactly.
Mister.
What
Yes.
the answers like choices فيهن numbers. So like
خلاص,
how
you
can I
divide.
get number?
You divide by the number next to the y. زي هذه مثلا.
I know, but then كلنا.
Yes. You have to make the y alone. That's the idea.
Mister.
Yes, Abdurrahim. Anyways, I hope you understood this question. I have less than 1 minute. Yes, Abdurrahim.
The active learn
When we have time. When we have time. I think we have like 2 papers. Maybe I'll give you today or tomorrow. Okay, depending on the time. Tomorrow I'll give it to you eventually. So I have less than 1 minute. Thank you guys.
I've sent you questions.
Yes,
but
okay,
I
we will
didn't-
do it. We will do it. We will do it, inshallah, tomorrow.